Alright, welcome back. It's the end of day 97. However, I wasn't home during day 96. I got on a plane and flew to a wedding reception for a good friend of mine. I was gone all weekend, so I wasn't by my computer. So this will double up for Friday and Monday. Friday, I had my Grand Rounds presentation at school, which means that we had to present. We presented on our case of COPD and the uses of OMT with COPD and the treatment options associated there. It went over pretty good. We had class in the morning for 3 hours on, let's think here for a second, that was Friday, on special regulation or special blood flow to different areas like skeletal muscle and to the liver and to the skin and what drives that. And then we also had a lecture, trying to think what the other one was about. They were all regulated to regulatory for trying to think. It was all regulation, like how it regulates to the skin and to the different organs during exercise, things like that. And then we did our Grand Rounds presentation, and then I went to the airport. I missed a couple lectures on the Valsalva maneuver. Today we just had an EKG patient interaction. We have a sim lab at school with fake patients. They have pulses, they have heartbeats, they have lung sounds, everything you can possibly think of this thing can do. So what they do is they take us in, they put us in with the case. We look at the EKG, we can see if the person comes in with heart failure or something like that. So that was really cool to go in, and we can make a diagnosis based on what the EKG is doing, and then listening to the heart sounds, checking the pulse, things like that, and make a diagnosis for different heart problems, heart blocks, you know, failure, cardiac arrest, infarction, whatever. So that was really informative and really nice to go and just have some real-world clinical experience with a patient that if we kill it, it's not a real-life person. These sim lab, I guess they said these sim lab things cost about $500,000 a piece. So they were really nice. It's nice to have them. I think we're one of only 2 schools in Texas that has them, or we might even be the only school. Either way, that was just the only thing we had for class today. And so I've studied other than that, tried to catch up on the lectures that I missed when I was out of town. But that's pretty much it for what I did over the last couple days. So this will double for day 95 and 96. And got class tomorrow at 10, so I'll see you after that. And